Now question number 4, say exercise 1A. Yesterday we did class 1, now today class 2, okay, from the question number 4, okay. See question number 4A, state whether the following statements are true or false. Okay, first question is, the difference between two integers can never be 0. Question said, the difference between two integers never be 0. But 5, two integers, 5 and 5, both are integers or not? But 5 minus 5 answer is 0. So answer is false. Okay? But question not said, difference means two different integers. Okay? Question not said that two difference between two integers means about not difference integers. Okay? So we can apply same integer. That is 5 minus 5 answer is 0. Okay. Next question number 4b. The sum of the positive integer and a negative integer is always a negative integer. Sum of a positive integer and a negative integer is question said always a positive integer. So this answer is false. Why? See the reason. 5 is a positive integer, minus 2 is a negative integer. But their answer is plus 3. So positive integer. Correct? Next. Question number C. C is the absolute value of an integer is always greater than or equal to the value of integers. Absolute value. Yesterday you learned about absolute value, which one is denoted by modulus symbol. Okay. See, minus 5 modulus meaning always positive. So minus 5 and modulus means absolute value is 5. Again 5 modulus or absolute value is 5. That means equal. The question said equal or greater. So we can say yes, it is true. Next, question number D. Question number D is the value of sum of two integer is always greater than the value of their difference. I mean, sum of two any integers is always greater than their difference. So I got false. Why? See the reason. Minus 5 and minus 2 what are different integers? And their sum is minus 7. But minus 5 and minus 2, their difference is, see the answer, minus 3 or not. But minus 3 is bigger than minus 7. So their answer is false. Next, number E. See the question. E is the value of the product of two integers is always greater than the sum of their sum. Means if we multiply two integers, any integers meaning maybe positive or negative, okay, or maybe 0. Okay, I took two integers, one is negative and second one is positive. Now see, minus 5 into plus 2, answer is minus 10. But minus 5 plus 2, answer is minus 3. Now which one is bigger? Compare it. We know minus 3 is bigger than minus 10. So answer is false. Clear? Next, last question, 4F. If 4 integers and 4 positive integers are multiplied together, the sign of the result integer is positive. That means if we multiply 4 positive numbers, any positive numbers, okay? So I wrote the symbols only, not number. Number we can multiply, actually it depends on symbols. So 4 positive numbers means 4 positive symbols, and 4 negative numbers means 4 negative symbols. See, plus means always positive. Minus minus plus, again minus minus plus means overall answer is plus. So answer is true. Proceed to question number 5. Question number 5 is solve the problems. Now question number 5A. 5A is minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. Easy question. Minus 6 multiplied by minus 6. Okay. See the rules. At first multiply their symbols. Okay. Minus into minus plus. Next multiply the number. At first multiply the symbols. Next multiply the numbers. Now 6 into 6 answer is 36. Plus 36 or without plus symbol 36, same meaning. No symbol meaning always positive. Clear? Next, one more question. Number E. Number E is minus 8 multiplied by 0. See, minus 8 into 0. Means we know if you multiply 0 with any number, then answer is always 0. And don't plot plus or minus symbol in front of 0. Why? 0 is neither positive nor negative. Done? Okay, next proceed to question number 6. Question number 6. First question is 18 divided by 3. At first, see the symbols. 18 is positive, 3 is positive. No symbol meaning both are positive numbers. So plus plus plus. Plus means no need to plot. Now 18 divided by 3 answer is 6. So 6A answer is 6. Next one more question. Number Z. Z is minus 81 divided by 9. At first, divide the symbols. Minus plus minus. Then 9 times 81. So answer is 9. Clear point? Okay. Now proceed to question number 7. Question number 7 is again solve the problem. So solve the problem. Question number 7A. 7A is minus 48 divided by minus 8. At first, divide the symbols. Minus minus plus. Plus means no need to plot. 8 how many times? We know 8 6 are 48. So 7 A answer is 6. Similarly, proceed to question number 8. 7 all questions are same. You can try at home. Now question number 8. Number is 8 is. Question is minus 4 into minus 6 into minus 3 into minus 2. See? Now how many numbers given? 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 integers given. Now we need to find their answer. See, minus minus plus plus, you can multiply pairwise. Minus minus plus 6 4 is 24. Again minus minus plus 3 2 is 6. Next multiply the numbers. 6 into 4 24, 2 remainder, 6 to the 12, 12 to 14 means 144. Next one more question, number 5. Last question. Question is minus 3 multiply by 1 multiply by minus 2 again multiply by minus 2. Now question is solved means find the answer. Minus 3 into 1 minus plus minus 3 ones are 3. Next these two numbers minus minus plus 2 2s are 4. Plus means no need to plot. Next minus into plus minus 3 4s are 12. Done.